The other day, I couldn't help but to notice that one of my fence pickets had emancipated itself from the rest of the fence. One of the philosophies I believe in life is that if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I tried putting the fence picket back and seeing if that fixed it, and it didn't. Okay. Now, what I actually think happened here was between getting wet and drying out and getting wet and drying out here in the Pacific Northwest, the screws, the wood, they just worked themselves apart. Pretty standard stuff. So not only am I going to fix this fence, but I am going to decorate it in a way that speaks to me and my family, like a point of interest in the yard. And so this leads us to our first sponsor. The sponsor of today's video is the guy around the corner who left this table out on the curb. I'd like to thank the guy around the corner who left this table out on the curb for supplying this table for my wood shop. It is working fantastic. It's got a little overhang here. To get in contact with the guy around the corner who left this table out on the curb, drive around where you live. I don't know, go for a walk. Go to www.theguyAroundTheCorner who left this table out on the curb. This isn't a website if you want to download the app. How up you? Thank you for subscribing. Now back to the show. I grabbed some of this beautiful Alaskan Yellow Cedar in these rough cut slats. I just traced and started cutting out this shape of Montana because Kristen and I met in Montana as trail runners. We are mountain people. That was what we were motivated to do. We met, we got along. Now we're here with a beautiful boy. Most notably, on our third date, Kristen and I hiked and ran a little bit of a 19-mile ridge line. It was fantastic. So I think the mountains are always going to be a part of this relationship. You know, we're very happy mountain people. I grabbed a little piece of this walnut panel that I have to make the mountain range at the top of it, and then I just kind of rough cut it out on the fly. No one ever accused me of overthinking it.
That is correct.
It just dawned on me that this is my second video about a fence or about fences. If you haven't seen my first video, I've got a link to it right here. Let me know what you don't like about it. I'd be interested to hear. Yeah, fuck. This is the wrong bit. The install was easy as 1, 2, 3 because there were 3 screws. I know this isn't going to last forever, but I do want to maintain it just a little bit, so I took this matte finish and gave the pieces a quick spray. I'm happy with the end result, and it makes me happy to look at it right now, and I can't wait for it to make me happy every single time I see it when I come in the backyard to play with the boy or to throw the ball for the dog or pick up poop, consider subscribing. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for joining the journey. Check out the links I have below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.